Hello guys and gals, welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy S10. In this video we're going to be going ahead and powering up, activating it, starting up the device. First thing I'm going to do, power button, press it and hold it until I get some activity. Got a little vibration and the Samsung Galaxy S10 screen powered by Android screen turned on. So let's go ahead and wait and see what comes next. So in this video I'm going to be going through step by step everything you would need to do to fully turn the device on, get it to the home screen, not necessarily activation as in getting it connected to a line, but getting it set up to where you're able to use the device, search the internet, use it for whatever you may, just to kind of get it to the home screen from it being locked. There are some methods that require a...
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
So it looks like we already have it set up. First things first, we're going to be looking for a language. So if you want to use any other language, you go ahead and select it here. We're going to go with English.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
So once you read through all of them, you can select it and hit next.
You can restore the settings and contents from your old device. It will not be difficult.
So if you wanted to turn this off, the voice, you can go ahead and just mute it. Like it said, backing up your device, I'm going to go ahead and skip it for now. You can do it through a cable or wirelessly. I'm just going to go ahead and skip that now. Set this up as a fresh device, not linked to anything. So next, we're going to go ahead and set this up using our using the internet, using the Wi-Fi. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in. So I have it typed in, and go ahead and just hit connect to get it to connect and continue on to the next step. So this is a method to use without an active SIM card, just with the regular Wi-Fi connection. So here we are for choosing a network. We're already connected. So I'm just go ahead and hit next. So it's checking for updates, new device. I don't think there should be many updates, but you know, sometimes there is, and it just takes a little bit. So signing into your Google account, if you have one, you can sign in. I'm going to go ahead and hit skip and set that up later. And one of the things that's very noticeable right now is just that camera right up in the top right corner. So Google services, anything else kind of gives you some of the Google services and things that it does. Just go ahead, hit accept, keep moving on. Setting up a password, I'm going to hit not now. Skip it anyways, just to skip it. Those are different methods of passcode that you can add, just security for your device. And then signing into your Samsung account, I'm going to go ahead and skip that as well. Here's a bunch of the options that Samsung gives you. I'm going to go ahead and skip all of that. And just like that, we are all done. Let's hit finish. And this should take us to the home screen. So there we have it. First sign in on this device, first time powering it up. There's an app store, gallery, Galaxy Store, Google, camera, internet, messages, phone calls. And then once again, since I didn't switch anything up, Google, the Samsung's give me the prompt to activate it. Bixby didn't go anywhere, it's still there. Slide up, we have more of our applications. Spotify, just some of the apps there. So there you guys have it. That is my first look. Once again, if you guys missed my first unboxing video, this device does come with a screen protector. So there's a little bit of a circle down there that you can see. So there it is. You guys could see that screen protector on the Galaxy S10. It is a soft one and not a glass one. So just kind of keep that in mind. And it's going to take a little bit for all of these little updates and things to turn on, to kick in, finally get going. And no SIM inserted, so I will need a SIM card to get this phone activated. So this is my activation startup video. If you guys liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you guys have comments, questions, or concerns, go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.